Ang mahambal ko lang sa katulad kong magnegosyo, tiyagaan nato ng ato negosyo, hindi kita malipat sa Ginoo, mangayo bulig sa iya para kita ubayan niya sa aton nga pagpangabuhi sa adlaw-adlaw nga tanan.
The city of Pasig is centrally located on the island of Panay, around 45 minutes away from Iloilo City. Pasig is commonly known as the Sweet City in the heart of Panay Island. It is famous for its vast plantation of sugar cane and variety of fruits and rice. Because of its strategic location, Pasig became a center of trade and commerce that brought investment opportunities for its people. But things did not come as easy for Regina Paliera.
Bana ko gabiyahe, kami lang kakabataan. Ang sweldo sang bana ko, hindi kami mag-igo. Nagkuhan niya bana ko, manegosyo kami talaba, pero tag-isa lang kasako, hindi pa kami kapaubos.
Without needing capital, selling talaba at consignment seemed like a good idea. They rented a small space that fit 3 tables where customers could order their cooked talaba. Customers were few and Regina wanted to give up the business. But her husband, Marino, convinced her to continue. Just when they thought trials would not end, a tropical storm hit the area and flooded the commercial center where they stayed. But the misfortune was a blessing, as their eatery became a temporary eating place for travelers and drivers. Soon, customers raved about the fresh talaba, and more people came to dine.
Nangita kami supplier nga quality at talaba nga ginasupply na kanamon. Tapos kami doon ka bana ko yan nag-attender, nag-atipan.
This sound business sense improved Regina's profit, and through word of mouth, people looked for her talaba eatery. Even when she transferred locations, customers still flocked to her place.
Nagkaon, tapos nag-istorya ka na ako niya kung gusto kong madugangan ang kapital ko, buligan na ako nga makaloan sa Valiant.
When she became Valiant's client, Regina borrowed an initial amount of 13,000 pesos. She used this money to expand her business by constructing more tables so she can serve more customers.
Remind na ako para nga mangin madasik ang paglon ko liwat.
Her sales then increased to 1,500 pesos a day and continued to grow over the years. Today, her sales are at 12,000 pesos a day. Born to a family of farmers, Regina and her husband decided to diversify the business and return to tilling the land inherited by her husband. This time, her entrepreneurial spirit became her guiding source for business ideas.
Ang kita ng talabahan ko, ginakuan ko sa uma, ginagasto ko sa uma. Tapos, kun ang uma ko, nagadako nga na, medyo nag-amat-amat sa dako tungod sa kakita ka talabahan, tuya ko ginakuan, tapos ang extension ko.
The farm has a variety of crops from sugar cane, rice, and corn production. They also raise farm animals such as pigs, ducks, and chicken. During harvest time, they employ a total of 25 employees who are mostly their neighbors and relatives. This is only one of the ways she is helping others who are also in need.
Makabulig man kami sa parihas namon. Bisan sa mga kapamilya lang namon. Makabulig kami. Tungod tigado man sanda. Ang mga pamilya ko, yung ginabuol ko, parang makabulig man kami bala kananda.
The average annual sales of Regina's business is 4,393,000 pesos, with an annual profit of approximately 800,000 pesos.
Bakal kami ka truck, multi-cab, kag ang hand tractor sa uma, tracer, kagi nakakuan kami to kapayag namon.
To many, Regina has become a model of a true entrepreneur. She looks forward to this year's harvest season as she will be able to once again reap the result of her hard work.